We shall pass on to problem number 5. Yes, now in problem number 5, Lalita Limited offered 30,000 equity shares in the books of Lalita Limited. Journal entries, good. No date is given. Lalita Limited offered 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each to the public, payable rupees 2 per share on application, 3 on share allotment, and the balance when required. So from this statement, what you should understand, when the balance required, that is the balance when required, when it is necessary, the company will call you, so you must pay. Our game pay panna porum. So for what we should answer? We should answer only for the first 2 stages, that is for application stage and allotment stage. Okay, how it was allotted? Applications for 50,000 shares were received. So, application money 2, number of applications received for 50,000 shares. Therefore, bank account data to share application account. Application money received on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2. So 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh we must write. 1 lakh we must write. Bank account data to share application account. Okay, the second journal entry for it. What should be written? We know that. Where we have stopped, you start from the share application account data to share capital account. Share application account data to share capital account. How many shares were issued by the company? Only 30,000 shares. So 30,000 into 2, 60,000 only we should write it here. I explained very clearly to you in the previous problem itself, in problem number 4 itself. Number of applications received for 50,000 shares, therefore 50 into 2, 1 lakh. But the number of shares issued by the company is only 30,000 shares. Therefore, 30,000 into 2, 60,000 only is transferred to share capital. Application money money on 30,000 shares transferred to share capital. Here the name of the share is equity share, therefore we should add the word equity share to equity share application. Here also equity share application. Here also to equity share capital. That equity you should mention that. Then the first stage is over. What happens to the second stage? In the second stage, you should remember applicants for 10,000 shares were allotted fully. Then, in the remaining 35,000 shares were issued 20,000 shares only, and the remaining 5,000 share money nil, no shares are allotted. You should understand from these two ideas. What are the two ideas? Total applications received for 50,000, and out of this 50,000, for 10,000 shares, they applications 10,000 they issued. Remaining then 25,000 shares. Remaining 20,000 shares were allotted, and even after this 35 plus 10, 45, remaining applications 5,000, they allotted nil. So, if the shares are not allotted, the money received along with the application should be refunded honestly. What is the journal entry for refund? The reverse of this. When you receive the money, this journal entry. When you refund the money, that is when you pay back. When you receive this, when you pay back, the reverse journal entry. What it is? Equity share application account data to bank account. Equity share application account data to bank account. That amount 5,000 share only, they did not allot anything. Therefore, for 5,000 into 2, 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. $5,000 share application money. Share application money refunded. 5,000 share application money refunded. This is refunded. Okay. Then we go to the allotment stage. What is the journal entry for allotment? The same thing. Here, the same thing. What is this? Is first and the second. And the second will come here as first. First will go there as a second. I said in the next stage, from the second stage onwards, from the allotment stage onwards. What is there? Share allotment account. That is equity share. Share allotment account data to equity share capital account. equity share capital account. What should be the allotment money? Allotment money will be 3 on share allotment. So 3 into 30,000. 3 into 30,000, 90,000. It should be received by the company. It should be received by the company, 90,000. That is allotment money received, allotment money due. Allotment money due at the rate of rupees 3. 3 into 30,000 shares, because available shares only 30,000 shares, 90,000. But what happens? The entire amount 90,000 cannot be written in this bank account. Data to equity share allotment account. We cannot write the entire 90,000 rupees here. Why? Because out of 5,000 share allotment, application money only was refunded, but they have received, they have kept the money for 45,000 shares. They have kept the application money for 45,000 shares. Therefore, 45,000 available shares 30,000, application money 45,000. So 15,000 share application money is kept as a reserve. Therefore, 2 into 50,000, that is 15,000, 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees is in excess with the company. Therefore, what journal entry we must do? That 30,000 excess share application money should be transferred to share allotment, and then the balance amount should be received from the shareholders. Okay, then what the journal entry is in the previous problem itself we have seen equity share application account data to equity share allotment account. Excess 15,000 share application money adjusted with allotment, that is 30,000 we should write. And from 90,000, 30,000 application money is adjusted with allotment. Therefore, balance 60,000 only will be received from the shareholders. So, what should be the narration? Balance share allotment money received. Share allotment money received. And all the money due was received, past journal entries up to the receipt of allotment, up to the stage of allotment only we should pass entries. Therefore, we have passed the entries only to the allotment. Once again, I repeat the same. In problem number 5, what is given? On application stage rupees 2, on allotment stage rupees 3. But the number of shares issued by the company is only 30,000 shares. But the company received applications for 50,000 shares. I said in the last problem itself, whatever the number of applications received, the company will get the application money first. So likewise, for 50,000 shares, the application money was received. Therefore, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. That is bank account debtor to equity share application account. We have written. But the share application money should be transferred to the share capital. How much can be transferred? Only for the available number of shares, the application money can be transferred to share capital. So 30,000 shares are only available in the company. So for 30,000 shares, the application money is 30,000 into 2, 60,000. Then what I have written here. Then as usual, we should go to the second stage, that is opposite. This will come here and this one. This will come here and that will go there. And before that, out of this 15,000 share applications, 5,000 share applications were rejected. So what happens to the application money? It should be refunded honestly. So for 5,000 share application money, 5,000 into 2, 10,000, that is refunded. When the application money is received, this one, when the same application money is refunded, paid back, then the reverse of this journal entry, this will go there, that will come here. That is equal to share application account that has to bank account to 10,000. Okay, with this the first stage is over. Now go to the second stage, the allotment stage. In allotment, what do they say? How many shares are there, or how many shares are available in the company? 30,000 shares. What is the allotment money? 3 rupees per share. Therefore, 3 into 30,000, 90,000 we should write. Therefore, equal to share allotment account debtor to equal to share capital account 90,000 we write. Then, next one, receipt. I told you already, in the first stage, first money is received, then the money is transferred to share capital. Whereas from allotment stage, first call stage, final call stage, in all these stages, first a letter of reminder will be sent for that one journal entry, and after seeing the letter, the shareholders will pay, and for the receipt there is another journal. That is why I said repeatedly in the previous problem also. See here, application money received, but here allotment money due, because this entry only to remind the shareholders to pay the allotment. Very important. Allotment money when the letter is sent by the company, this journal entry is passed. So share allotment account debtor to share capital account, 30,000 shares, 30 into 3, 90,000. Okay? Right. After it, what it should be, this entry we have written by changing the stage name only. And therefore this entry should be here. That is bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. This journal entry only should be written. But why this entry should be here? Because the application money, 5,000 shares, for 5,000 shares only was refunded. So how much application money is available with the company? 45,000 shares for 45,000 shares. So for 45,000 shares, the share application money is available, but 30,000 shares only can be returned. But what about this remaining 15,000 share application money? 15,000 into 2, 30,000 is surplus in hand in the hands of the company. Company கையில் 30,000 rupees excess or share application money இருக்கு. And what should be done with the money? That money should be adjusted with the allotment. So equity share application account data to equity share allotment. Application இருந்து allotment adjust பண்றாங்க. So the journal entry will be share application account data to share allotment account. So that's 30,000. So out of this 90,000 meant for allotment, 30,000 balance in the name of share application is already available with the company. Company so that is transferred, and therefore the remaining 90,000 minus 30,000, 60,000 only can be received from the shareholders by the company. Okay, good.